How to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if you have been banned from TikTok. If you did nothing wrong but still your account is banned, you can appeal for a account recovery. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, and here you're just going to search for TikTok Help Center. Now once you search for it, you can just tap on the first link, that is support.tiktok.com. And what you're gonna do here is now scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the contact option. And if you don't see it here, you can find the option where you can report a problem. So just tap on report a problem. And then from here, if you want to report anything, if you found this helpful, tap on no. And then once you get to this account safety option, just scroll down all the way until you see this option right here that says contact us. So I'm just going to scroll here. And if you require another account assistant, just tap on contact us, tap on it. So here on the topic, you're going to tap on this general inquiry or account ban or suspension. Then from here, under your general inquiry, you can choose banned account. Here, simply enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you can enter your username if you want. And on the additional detail, you're going to explain that you have done nothing wrong and you're sorry if you have violated any terms and conditions for TikTok that happened unknowingly. And then you just want to appeal your account back. Then if you want to upload any supporting file like screenshot or screen recording, tap right here and then submit it. TikTok will contact you via your email and then they will help you get your account unbanned. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.